Well, hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina, and this is my shopping live. Hope you're having a good day so far. We are back shopping at Aldi, still enjoying this overcast weather that we are having. Let's get started because there are some amazing new items. And check this one out. This side table. I like the lamp. I'm hoping they will sell that lamp at some time. But with the feet, so about 15 inches deep, 20 inches wide. That's a nice one. $40. And then we have these baskets. Oh, I like these fabric baskets. These are actually really nice for kids' toys, pet toys. There is a lot of options for those. Ooh, several different colors. $7.99. That's not bad. Ooh, what are these? Pop up. Okay, we're gonna come back to that. Let's check this one out. They were putting the price on this one. This pegboard is so cool, especially for like if you do crafting or if you just want to organize your office. I like this one. What a great idea. And the price, seriously, $14.99. That is a really great price. And honestly, and if you want to paint the pegboard, you know, match your decor, you could definitely do that, or just leave it natural. I do like that. I don't need it. I like it, but I don't need it. Okay, let's go back to these. All right, these pop-up playhouses. My daughter, we had a couple. Like we had one at my house and we had one at the grandparents'. She always had so much fun with these when she was little. The food truck. Okay, that one is really cool. Different ones. There are a lot of different ones. And I just love how they easily fold away. And the price, $14.99. Not bad at all. Oh, this kid table and stool. This is so cute. Oh, I like that one. I always find these amazing items. Now, my daughter, she's still young. She's just as tall as me. But I still think of her as this little kid. And $40. Honestly, that's not bad. I found one like that, like when she was young. It was like over $100. Like, oh no. What are these? The animal baskets. Some really, really cute kids items. Those are adorable. And how much is that? $20. Okay, the Aldi gear is here. Seriously, the Aldi gear sells out so quick. We have the beanie, couple of different styles. So whichever is your favorite, and let me know in the comments below. Do you support the Aldi gear? Do you wear the Aldi gear? I like the Aldi gear. It's just not my style. I personally wouldn't wear it. That's just me. $3.99. I do like the cups though. These are nice insulated cups. The bottom is perfect for the car. It's $6.99. What a great price. There's about, let's see, 3 different styles. Oh, if I can get it back in there. These are really nice, and there's a lot in here. Oh, see that one? I know, I should represent Aldi and have a cup. I may have to think about that. I mean, I have a lot of cups, but, you know, what is one more? The ceramic pasta bowl, $4.99. These are really nice. Look at the size of these. Oh, I like this pattern on the outside. Very mesmerizing. Very nice. Different colors to choose from. I would definitely love to mix and match with these, but a good size. And not just a pasta bowl. You could use these for side dishes. So many great uses for these. And then you could choose. You could have them all to match, or, you know, whatever you want to do. Okay, this is a 20 cup, the rice cooker and a steamer. I do own this. So we got it about maybe a year and a half ago. So this, you know, this comes and goes. Their products do that. It was $20. It works great, honestly. Then you have the 4.2 quart, the digital air fryer. $40. Not too bad. Ooh. The acacia wood bowls. Oh, I like these. That is really nice. Keep it protected. Don't want those to scratch. Now, what is back here? I see something. I see something different. Ooh. Okay. 1 second. I'm gonna grab this. Okay. That is perfect for bread. I have a little loaf of bread in there. Oh, those are nice. Seriously, they're $10 each. And I don't understand that why people call this the aisle of shame. I think this is a little treasure right here. $10. There's some really great items. And here's some more of the Aldi gear. $9, almost $10. But seriously, you get a pair of shoes for $10. And how fun are these? They kind of remind me of the Vans. So there's some different ones. So they have men's sizes and they have the lady sizes. So definitely double check. And the canvas slip-ons. At $3.99, the bamboo utensils. Ooh, I like these. That is nice. I like these because you can use these on different pans. You don't have to worry about scratching. I have a few of those already. See, you have this. Oh, wow, there's a bunch of them back there. Even tongs. Okay, those, especially for the price, those are actually really nice. And then the soup mug, 20 ounces. Honestly, I would use this for my coffee. Keep the lid on there. But this is also perfect for the soup. If you place that in the microwave, you could pop the top so it vents. You have a couple of different colors. Let's see. See the green. Oh, these are really, oh, one's cracked. Oh no. $4? Honestly, you could get a whole set. These would really make great gifts. So yeah, go through them. There's some really amazing colors. These are all really nice. These are perfect fall colors. Oh, I want to grab this one back here, but no, I can't. But see, the top pops off. So if you want to, put that top on there, maybe keep your coffee a little warm, you could do that. That is a good size. It's a good price. Okay, the cast iron mini cookware. Okay, these are $5. So there's 3 different pieces. Now, for as small as these are, there are some weight to this. That is a little heavy. That's some true cast iron right there. The little mini griddle. I would like this to melt butter. That is the perfect size. I don't find this one. Where's that one? Well, we will keep checking. So we're back up to the Aldi gear. $10, the ladies Aldi gear pajamas. You have the hearts. Oh, these are pretty. So I don't know about the sizes. I just don't know if the sizes, do they run big? Do they run small? Do you need to size up? It looks like there's only 3 though, small, medium, and large. I like my pajamas a little baggy, but those are definitely cute. They would most likely fit my daughter, not me. And $12.99 was a pullover. Okay, so here, this is nice. I like the size chart right here. We have a couple options. It looks like it's almost like a hoodie as well. I don't want to pull it out of the packaging. But those are fun. And the prices, seriously, the prices are really low. And the backpack. Now, I do like this one. They're tight in there. They're right there on the top shelf. But not a bad price at all. So $25, more of the cast iron. Okay, cast iron bread oven. Look how nice that is. Oh, these are actually pretty cool. Some amazing items. And this time of year, it's one of my favorite times of year. Okay, $26.99. You have the cast iron French oven. Okay, like a Dutch oven, but it's a French oven. These are nice. I like that they come in boxes. These would make great gifts. So, if you have a wedding coming up, or any kind of shower, birthday party. And look at the little one, 2 quarts. So the yellow was 4.4. This is 2 quarts for $16.99. Honestly, these could get really expensive too. And then check out this blanket. How fun is this for the kids? The little tail blanket. This is a shark. These items do sell fast. And then you have, it's like a mermaid. Those are cute. And $10. What a great price. And for $4.99, reusable. Okay. The oven liner. I'm going to grab one of these. Now see these red ones? You put it at the end of your oven so if you bump into it, you won't burn yourself. I purchased a set of those for Pampered Chef. I paid over $20 for the set. These $5. So I'm definitely going to grab a couple of these. And the oven liner, yes. My oven needs some serious cleaning, and so I'm going to do that and then put those on there. Okay, $20 to stock pot. Always good to have one of these on hand. Soups. Maybe you want to throw a lobster in there, a smaller one. Whatever you want to do. Even canning. $4.99. The 8 cord candle. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, I like these. Smoked pecan and maple. Oh, that sounds amazing. And the single serve coffee maker, $37.99. Now this is a 2-in-1, so you could brew ground coffee or K-cup pods. Well, I like those options. You have a couple different colors to choose from. And then $4.99, the prep containers. This is a good price. Especially if you want to start prepping. Also, and this is great for like leftovers, or you could use that for anything. The price is just right. Now for $30, this is a kid's bedroom lamp. It's a good size. And I like how it lights up. You have the stars. I wonder if you could turn off the top and then you just have the stars at the bottom. I had a lamp like that when I was young. And the $12.99. I need this for all my furniture. The armchair covers. Keep the pet hair off my furniture. I know, the pet hair just gets everywhere. And then we have the 8 cord. Oh, how cute is this? The chopping block. This is almost too pretty to use. You can have those like behind your oven if you want. $10. The recipe stand. Okay, this is nice. This would actually make a great, I'm thinking I have a couple of relatives who love to collect cookbooks. This would make a great gift. And $14.99, the wine racks. So you have 2 different options. I remember these used to be popular a long time ago. I used to see these at Pier 1 Imports. I do miss that store. But not a bad price. And at $10, witches be crazy. How cute. So you have a little bit of Halloween. You have some fall. I just kind of want to get the feel of this. This little serving platter, that's actually really adorable. And then you have the leaves, a couple different colors, and then, oh, someone put one here. The pumpkin. Sometimes these are really tight in there. The serving platter, that is actually, I like that one. Okay, let's check out some of the frozen items. Okay, $8.99. We have some meatloaf here. So we got the Texas barbecue seasoned meatloaf. What else we have? A home style meatloaf. Interesting. And $6.49 chicken or vegetable momos. Am I pronouncing that correctly? Looks like you would steam them. I would try those. They look good. It is $7.99. The German cakes. The chocolate cream cake. Then you have the strawberry cream cake. So when I was younger, my father was in the military and we were stationed in Germany for 3 years. So a lot of this food is very familiar. The Bavarian soft pretzels. I don't remember pretzels, but I did try these last year. So you have the pretzel sticks. Those are so good, especially when you dip in mustard. So good. I know some people like to dip them in cheese, but I do prefer the mustard. $8.99. The chicken schnitzel. I remember having a lot of schnitzel. That actually looks really close because sometimes you can have it with gravy, sometimes without. And at $3.89. Oh, my mother would absolutely love these. So my parents are in Northern California. There's no Aldi in Northern California. And yeah, a lot of my family members, so they like checking Aldi out when they come and visit me. The almond cake, this apple walnut cake. My mother would absolutely love that. These are just really nice. I love that they have these out. I really wish they had these all year long. And then for $4.99, the pizzas. Aldi does have good pizzas. The Mama Cozy, the wood fire. Ooh, Greek style. That sounds good. Now, 3 cheese beet crust. I am not a fan of the beets. I know they're good for you. I wish I liked them. I've tried a couple of times. I just don't care for beets. And then we have the Hawaiian pizza, the Hawaiian style pizza. Yep, the pineapple. That is fun. I like that one. And then we have the Harvest Supreme. Oh, that one looks good. These are good pizzas. Really fun. And they're really good for lunch or an easy dinner. And then $2.99, the pepper jack filled pretzel bites. Those sound really good. Well, everybody, thank you so much for coming along to Aldi with me, checking out all these amazing new items. Thank you again for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.